Hi everybody, welcome to World's Greatest Medical and Fitness. We have an interesting medical case for you today. It's about ants. Ants live almost everywhere in the world, but can they live inside of a human head? According to the mainstream media, they can. It's such a strange story with so few original sources that I'm actually going to treat it as an episode of Real or Fake. Nice. According to the information I've found, this poor girl has had about 10 to 15 ants removed from her head every day for a long time. Doctors have pulled both live and dead ants out of her ear. Now here's some footage, but I have to warn you, it's kind of gross. So the footage is real. There really are ants being pulled out of an ear canal, but it seems to raise more questions than it answers. Such as, if it's a colony, where is the egg-laying queen? What do the ants eat? Where are they all living? It sounds strange, but if this is real, the only thing I can think of is that the ants have found something useful inside the ear and are mining it and bringing it back out again. It doesn't seem like they could actually live inside there, there's just not enough room. But we'd like to know what you think. Is this real? Does anyone have any more information about this? Leave it in the comments, and thanks for watching. So we'll see you next time on World's Greatest Medical and Fitness. Bye-bye.